to welcome you to this very important edition of today's program, Crime Watch Reloaded. Of course, I know that we've all been waiting for this hour to come. The hour is already here. It's going to be a very sober presentation, and because so many things have been happening. Today we're going to talk less because we want the suspects to talk to us. We have just two main stories. One has to do with the update from Eroneka in Ovia Northeast local government area. We hardly spoke with the police relations officer who spoke to us diligently on the security situation in Eroneka and the Benin, Lagos Road and other parts of the state. And moments after that, we just launched the arrested suspects that have to do with Ms. Uwaila Vera Omozo. We only have just those suspects only for 36 good meanings. From beginning to the end, you're going to be hearing them one after the other, and then we just leave it for members of the public to decide. That is where we're going to put it now. So, never mind, all you need to do right now is just to stay on with us on the program, Crime Watch Reloaded. My name is Festus. A short break now, the program, Crime Watch Reloaded. We'll be right back after this time out. All right, who have been following us, we agree that this program is a very special one today because I know that a lot of viewers are already on standby. Let's go straight now to the police officer. Adequate peace in Eroneka in Ovia Northeast local government because there happens to be a little information that says that there are disturbances in that area, but the police say no, the area is peaceful, calm and quiet, so no cause for alarm. Let's go over now to the police headquarters.
Eroneka is located in Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State, near Oluku community in Benin City here. And the division, the police divisional headquarters that controls there is Ekeadolo Divisional Police Headquarters. Eroneka is not in crisis. It's a peaceful village or community, and people there are law-abiding. They are going about their legitimate businesses. We've not so far received any report that could depict violence, crime and criminality in Eroneka. So to me, it's a peaceful place. In addition to what I've just said that Eroneka is peaceful, we will recall that over 3 months ago, the Nigerian Police Force, Edo State Police Command, and other sister security agencies in the state actually embarked on a bush combing in the forest within the local government. And the result of it was that the criminal elements in this Ovia Northeast were chased out. You know, during the combing, as they see movement of people, voices, as the operatives were there, they will be advancing, escaping from the forest. So far, so good. This has led to the chasing away of these criminal elements that used to barricade the highway, that used to rape the women in the farm, that used to kill the men who had the guts to challenge them. So far, so good. We've had a peaceful environment in this Ewonika village.
Today, I know that a lot of persons are waiting to know the latest on the arrest of the suspects allegedly involved in the gruesome murder of Vera Omozua. So right now, I'm sure that those who have been following us, we agree that this program to the suspects who actually opened up on the sudden and gruesome murder of Miss Uwaila Vera Omozua in Benin. Let me not give the story again. Let's just go straight to the story, and then I'm sure that you understand what we're talking about now. Let's have the suspects straight away.
The 6 suspects were identified as Osaboyen Nosahari, 31 years, Collins Ijegbulen, 24, Akato Valentina, 29, and Nelson Ogbebo, 27 years. 2 women were also arrested. They include Tina Samuel and Mary Ade. One of the suspects, Osaboyen Nosahari, was alleged to have bought late Uwaila Vera Omozuwa's mobile phone for the sum of 17,000 naira. Using high technical intelligence, the said Osaboyen was arrested by the police around Owe quarters in Benin City. He then took the police to arrest the principal suspect, Collins Ijegbulen. Collins Ijegbulen, who confessed to have directly participated in the murder, said he used the fire extinguisher to strike the late Uwaila after other suspects engaged her. The said Collins then named Akato Valentine and Nelson Ogbebo as other members of the gang. Mary Ade was said to have offered the sum of 1 million naira to the gang for the murder. The blood of the late Uwaila Vera Omozua was allegedly cleaned with a white handkerchief and then given to the said Mary Ade. Tina Samuel was arrested for allegedly obstructing the police from arresting her son, identified as Lucky, alleged to have participated in the murder. The suspects narrate their level of involvement.
What's your name?
Osaboyen Nosahari.
Saboyen Nosahari.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Edo State.
Where in Edo?
Oza Village.
Eh?
Oza Village.
What happened that brought you?
I bought phone from Mr. Collins.
Who is Collins? This one. Okay, is it the Uwaila phone?
Yes, sir.
Is it the Uwaila phone, Collins?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How did you buy it?
No, that particular on the 27th. I start around
27th of what?
May.
May.
I start around the 4 to 5 because I repair phone. That's my work.
Where do you have a shop?
At Abupa.
Agbapa.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So he brought the phone to me. We bargained, then I paid him.
Yeah.
So after on Monday the next week, I was tracked on the road. So after buying the phone, the 27th from him,
Yes.
at the rate of 17,000 naira. So as at on Monday, Tuesday the following week, I was tracked and arrested. That's how.
How much did you buy the phone?
17,000. Sir.
17,000.
Yeah.
What kind of phone?
Infinix Hot 8 Lite.
Who flashed the phone?
When he gave me the phone, he said there's nothing inside the phone, no nothing inside the phone.
Okay, it has already been flashed.
Yeah, there's nothing inside the phone.
Okay, you bought it to sell it to?
I bought to use.
Huh?
I bought the phone to use.
So where did police arrest you?
In my shop, sir.
Where is that?
Abo Park, sir.
Agbo Park.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you were the one that took police to him.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Collins.
Huh?
Collins Ijegbulen.
Collins. Where are you from?
I'm from Delta State.
Delta State. You based in Benin?
Yeah.
How was the Uwaila kid?
So that May 27,
Yes.
I deposit my house while a friend Valentine.
Who is Valentine?
This
This is Valentine.
Yeah.
Okay. What did he tell you?
So he can tell me say how far.
Yes.
So according as I do, after me I don't greet finish, he can tell me say more reach well for the work.
He say?
more reach site way me so for the while they monitor.
Yes.
Because so no problem. He not tell me say get wetin do.
Which area you they stay?
Now that street where church dey. Now I stay.
Okay, that
The same
street where they kill the girl.
Ramadan, so yeah.
Now you they stay.
Yes, my house not far for them.
Okay.
So as we reach there now, I can see 3 boys. They can't come out for occupied building.
Yes.
So as they come out for the Nancy carry cross back.
Who be nursing?
That is the
That's this nursing.
yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
They
Carry cross back.
Crossing back.
Yes.
So he get dread that time. So as he called the
You know nursing before?
I don't know Nancy, I don't know Lucky, I don't know Azubike.
Okay.
That day the first day that I see them.
So what can happen?
As I read them, I can't give them a chance. When I go meet them, they can't shake. After 3 of them shake finish, so you can't say more waka each go for the work. Now me they in charge of the house. I can't follow them, can't reach there.
Where una come go?
For the uncompetent BDO for the work.
Okay.
So as we reach there, nobody did there. 5 of us come did there. They can't bring a bow come out. And the big bow come out was now Bini that they speak. Me not the year Bini. So I come and say I give the chance, but let me come there my side. So after those people my go finish, by the time come tell me say Collins, he get business with the now.
You join the smoke Igbo?
Yes, I know if I lie you.
Okay.
Me, when I tell me say, you get business with the now.
Which business?
Now I tell which type of business? Because say business, better business day. I was okay. Me that time, me no get anything, nothing in my hand.
Okay, go straight. Which business you can't say day?
No, he never mention the business.
When you can't mention the business?
So now where we reach church? Where so the carbon come see the business?
Where can't say more go?
Because say business day.
Yeah.
I think they say which business. I can't tell which type of business. Because man always say business. They can't show me money. That one now 1,000 naira 8 bundle and 500 naira 4 bundle.
Yeah.
So the content
That's like 1 million.
That is 1 million, yes. So when after we take hold finish.
When I reach there, what will happen?
No, after we take hold finish, because we not talk anything.
Which kind of oath?
They carry razor, new razor come and they come mark us.
What did I discuss before now take oath?
Say mo go do business, say the business, say nobody do. No year, no match we go come talk the thing. All my match, say na speaker they won't go carry. So as we reach church now.
Okay, never talk what you now want to do, but I don't already take oath.
Yes.
Why you not ask her what you now want go do?
Yeah, they come now. As we reach church now, as we reach church, the content man stand.
Wait, why you not ask her what you now want go do before now take oath?
No, I know how the waiting we want do.
Okay, now don't take oath.
Yes.
How many of you take the
We'll be
oath?
5.
Who and who?
Me,
You.
Valentine.
This Valentine.
Azubike,
And who again?
Azubike, Nancy.
Among those when you take the oath, who and who they here?
Now,
You one,
Me,
one.
Collins, Valentine.
That's
and,
these 3.
Yeah, and Nancy.
That's 3 of you and I
Yes,
take the oath.
yeah.
Okay,
So
go
we
on.
will come down. Our mama too say because he get work, another work where they work for that side. I to say all this work say we go follow them work the work. So as we reach for church, we dey play opposite for church. So the content say man stand for the road. There's a come waka for the church around.
For that redeemed church.
Yeah, after waka for church.
How many of them come enter the church?
Now 5 of us.
But,
So,
with
me,
you.
me first day outside.
Yeah.
So if the person they come,
Yeah.
I dey tell them say person they come.
But that time, what did they come say they want to do for inside the church?
That time me never know. They just waka follow the church. They just monitor wetin dey church.
Okay.
So as I reach there na church door.
Where you stand?
Me dey road. I show police people the where I stand.
Okay.
Entrance of the church.
Yes.
So as I stand there now, they come say mo enter. They come call me. Say mo enter. As we enter, we come see one girl. Wey dey that is this the way.
This girl went there. This is
Yes,
while also.
yes.
Now come meet her for inside
Yes,
church.
only she dey inside church. She dey read. She wear spec. So the other door of the church dey open. Come face that side. So me now, by the time I come go where Otta dey, they come dey pray. I come say no problem. All my mind too say na to confuse the girl. Say na speaker we wan carry and we get one jade wey big for there. So I think say na the thing we wan carry.
Around what time so?
Na that kind 2.
For afternoon?
Yeah, 2 afternoon. So when we read there now, they come tell me say, me and the girl come dey talk. As me and the girl dey talk now, Nancy and Azubike and the other guy, they come sit down for chair. They sit down for chair now, wait again, and he beam for the girl back. Me say come shock. I call the fellow Valentine. They call it, which kind thing be this one?
What did come happen for inside the church?
As we went outside the church, me come go meet the girl. Me and the girl come dey.
That's you while also.
Yes. Me and I call the discuss.
Yes.
So
What did I
Valentine.
come to discuss?
No, I call the house out we time we hear him for come. So he call them say Bini, say the other street. But the
That time when I dey discuss, where other people?
they all of us dey inside church. By the time we reach where altar, they call the table and say in the pray. So Nancy, Azubike and Lucky.
That's this Nancy, this
Yes,
one.
yes. And Azubike and Nancy where they run. And they come sit down for chair. And they sit down for chair now, waiting. And you give me and the girl, I call say, you can ask me where me dey. I call say me dey for this street. So one of the member church ask na me dey. That guy wey they call Osaro. Say na that place I dey. But
So
you know,
go straight to what can happen for inside that church.
so wetin happen as me and the girl dey talk, wetin I get for the girl, and he beam 2x4, and then knack the girl.
What be 2x4?
Na plank.
Plank.
The
Okay.
girl
Where
no-
they for knock the girl?
na for neck.
Neck. Okay.
Yeah, the
Who
girl-
knock at that time?
The first person wey knack na Nancy.
Who be the nursing?
Na he be this one wey dey here.
This one?
Yes.
Nursing.
Yes.
Raise your head, nursing. Nursing. We are not joking here. Where is nursing? You are nursing. Okay.
So
Na him
after
knack am plank.
after he knack at the thing, the girl come use leg key table with the book, everything come fall.
Yeah.
Me come rush the girl, and I come hold am. So before I hear the girl don already fall down, as the girl fall down, e be like say wan get up. Before I get Bo Azubike, Bo Nancy Azubike and the other guy. So both by the time they come dey knack the girl. Me say for this, wetin dey happen for this church? Me no understand till now. Since why I come
Okay,
for
now
this,
so they take the nag the girl.
yes.
Who can rape am among them?
No, we no rape the girl. And they come. So we come the talk. They come to say, which kind thing be this one way they do. So when they come do finish now, they come like say they want gather me. They come to say if I not do my own, say man no worry.
Do your which one be your?
And they come and me they come they do wahala. So they come say man carry fire exhibition. The fire with outside church me for carry that one. I call it and hit the girl for.
That fire extinguisher when they by the side.
Yes. Okay. Now me carry am. I call it and hit the girl.
Which part you take hit on? What part of the body?
The fire exhibition.
Yes, you know as you carry the fire extinguisher.
Yes.
Where you for hit on? Leg, head, hand,
No,
or
now
where?
back.
Okay, the back.
Yes, I come after the girl lie down for ground.
Yeah.
As I hit her, that the girl, you see that life.
Yeah.
So as I hit her finish her, Valentine come bring condom. I don't know where for the new condom.
Where the Valentine?
Now it be Akato policeman.
This one. But now you bring condom.
Yeah, as you bring condom, I come say mo do soapy.
Yes.
So me now I no go like come do the soapy.
Okay.
And I do soapy and they come press the sperm put for the girl private part. So next he come bring white handkerchief. New one they never come out the label.
Yes.
They call it and create the girl blood for mouth.
For mouth.
So they come put inside the bag. So me come I see they grumble, they follow them.
You use white handkerchief.
Yes.
Clean the girl blood.
Yes.
Where can put the handkerchief?
Inside bag.
Inside bag.
Yes, that cross bag where you carry.
Yes.
So when I call the grumble, they follow them. I call them, they say, this guy thing. Me, I be stranger for.
So how many of you can't do the thing?
Will be 5 plus the woman will say that is 6.
All together.
Yes.
Okay. So that condom, what you can use and do?
No, they no rape the girl. The condom, sperm come enter the sperm.
Okay.
So as the sperm enter the condom, they can use razor, cut, until they can press and enter inside.
Okay.
So we call it the more share the money now. We come like one see begin.
Who can bring the money come out now?
Now let's carry the money.
How much?
That money na 1 million.
Okay.
That I mean never know who give.
How much can reach you?
I not even chop 8 final chop for the
How
girl.
much?
8,500 for the girl food.
How na can they share the money?
So as we read there now, we call this will do wahala for the money. Because they will give me a Valentine. That the people will carry me up. So they will give us 150. I could say the money na 1 million and I day now. So we share and two.
Who bring the money come?
So me I never know the person will give them the money.
As at that time.
Yes. So as we call they
But
do,
you see the money for her.
yes. As we call they do the wahala. So better you get the my landlady can just climb for the step. As the guy say I say I sure. As I sure so I can say this one no be my landlady wey meet and the house. No wonder people they tell me say man sorry for this house why they. So that they don't tell me the same man come back come for the house.
That time your landlady don't see you.
No, I think when me first see him, he never see me. I show police where for do everything, where they for carry the hanky give him. So he come call Nancy. I think call Nancy come give her the hanky.
Who be that your landlady now?
Now he be Mary.
Who be Mary here?
The one where they talk so where
Okay, that fair one.
where they talk.
Okay.
So I say he give official. Me he go tell me say Collins say me too dey talk o. Not say anything wey happen.
Wetin they can't give am?
Hanky, white hanky.
Okay, that hanky when they take clean the.
Yeah, man.
They can't give am to that your landlady.
Yes, he go say
Okay.
me too dey talk. No be say anything wey I see. Now
So
we dey
okay,
talk.
wetin can happen after that time?
So I dey come now. Well, they go give back. All they tell them say, all this kind of thing me know they do all this thing. Una know the kind street why that the kind the street as it be. So the woman come tell me say man no worry.
That
Say,
your landlady
yes,
now.
say anything wey I need in the same provision. Anything wey I need say I will take.
Wetin you can suspect that time say make such thing happen?
Me I no suspect. I don't know whether the heat they get the quarrel. Me no know.
Okay, so from that time, wetin you can do?
So that time after the thing come happen, they come carry the money run. So as we wan go sell the phone, I will come go meet am. Say see phone. If say na him even give us our go sell the phone.
And so now take sell the
After
phone.
we sell the phone now, we come. As we come back, me and this guy Valentine come share the money 885. As we share the money 8,500, I come dey my compound. So me say I no even get rest
Okay, wait. How you can't know say the girl die?
I did the street now. So one of my brother.
Now that street where you dey.
Yes.
Okay, you know say many people come dey visit the church and every
I dey see
time.
that both the police.
Wetin come dey your mind that time?
Me, the thing dem my mind to talk.
To talk.
Yeah, but I don't know as I don't take hold. I don't know as I go use talk.
Okay, but you hear say they be wan go destroy the church.
I see the church that day.
When they be wan come
Yes,
destroy
I
the
did
church.
church, but with the police.
Wetin come dey your mind that time?
Where dey my mind?
Yes.
Me, the thing dey my mind to talk. It dey my mind to talk, but I no
Because
get.
that time you don't hear say the girl don die.
No, the girl never died that time wey they come, but now the day we want to destroy the church, now the girl or Sunday, now the girl die.
Now they try say as at that Sunday
Well, that's
when they wan come destroy the church, the girl don die.
I dey see for us before I come back. They say the school people don't come, they don't break church. This one, they want more fire. I go say this kind of thing won't happen again. So well, for my former case where they beat me, where they forgive me this injury. So he did a regular station.
Okay.
And that people come.
Where police for come catch you?
For police for catch me.
Where police catch you?
Now one street I go walk.
Okay. Who bring police to you?
Who bring police? Now Valentine.
Who be Valentine?
This boy.
Okay, this Valentine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that day when the girl come die now my landlady because I come and I them say the girl don't that me come there outside. And that policeman come now. So Valentine come tell me you can cause you no follow my street again. Valentine come follow another.
But something not tell you say with all that thing say they fit catch you now.
Eh?
Something not tell you say
Me
they
no
fit
say
catch you.
me no say they go catch us now.
Okay, now they don't catch you now.
Yo, where they take up sell me, but I know if you do something way bad.
Okay,
I
now,
run come
now.
on, I call the suffer am.
Now, as they don't catch you now, and you hear say the girl don't die, how you feel now?
I feel bad now. I no go feel like you. So where I hear say the girl die, as the policeman I call the organ see wetin happen. I can't tell the policeman, so they can't go arrest Valentine. The next event I contact the same they go arrest me. So now so they use arrest. Now
So,
after that,
who you can go take police arrest later?
now my landlady will bring the work.
Okay, now you bring that work.
Yes. But now I see now be the woman I see for the company the Yankee.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Akato Valentine.
You read what he said.
Yes, sir.
How was the girl killed?
I don't know the girl and I have not seen her before.
You said?
I don't know the girl and I have not seen her before.
So, but did you not hear what he said? You know, they listen.
I'm
No,
listening.
you sit.
I heard everything that he said, but nothing is true.
That you don't know anything.
I don't know
You didn't
anything and I
even get
don't have
involved.
any involvement in it.
You hear what you talk?
Yes sir. So I go figure out a question. I mean I figure out that day when this girl die, who come call me for my compound, for opposite to my compound. Opposite my house.
Answer him.
Sir, it was in the morning around past 7. I was walking past his house when I saw him outside. He came to me, he greeted me and asked me if I had 100 naira. I wasn't having change. I asked him to follow me.
The day wey the girl wey kill the girl, wey we see the girl, the thing wey we knack and the thing so, but on Sunday he die. So that's how we come go. I don't opposite my house while they play the with Taylor.
That's kind of-
That's how which person come me when it
It was on the 27th morning. That was what I was saying. I was passing his house when I saw him outside. He came to me and asked me if I had 100 naira. I was not having
If you have what?
If I had 100 naira, I was not having change. And I told him okay to follow me.
Why was where do you
I
live?
stay in the street before the street that I'm on.
That area there.
Yes.
But did you not hear that something happened in that area that weekend?
It was before that incident I saw him. I believe he has done what he did and he's trying to cover it by dragging innocent persons. So one thing
But when did you not hear of the death of that girl?
he's trying to cover up what he has done. But one thing I believe is technology has gone to an advanced level. I believe there's forensic evidence. If the girl was raped, they would know.
Okay. What's your name? Where are you from?
Edo State.
What happened?
I take Kobai na Kobai at the street and DJ.
Where for Kobai?
Wesawi.
Which work you dey do?
Be DJ na DJ Allen. Then I work on night look for Ramapa.
So wetin happen when you bring you come here?
I did so when I hear on the night on the 28th. On the 28th, I hear say they rape one girl.
Of May
Yes.
2020.
Yes, they say they rape one girl for inside church. They say the girl na the new girl over there. I said okay, midday. I consider I did Kogai. So I thought yesterday they said they arrest some people. Every year they say that the pastor of the church. They say they give the pastor.
Leave that one, not be pastor now. Wetin come make dem arrest you?
I did my community where they do community. It's a town hall. So police can arrest me. And because they ask me now, they say I carry one the boy lady, which is colleague. So say I carry 1.5 million wrong. I never know the collection they talk. So I never know the lady. And when they come carry reach Abuja, as I reach Abuja, if people can't know this police, never know this lady.
Now you don't know anything about it.
Me not know anything about it. They say that's why I carry money wrong. I give them a
Who come carry police to arrest you? Who bring police to arrest you?
Now I know they say they track my phone. Now they track my phone. Because the SIM card.
Wetin dey your phone?
Not now this my line. Now they track.
Now only you dey Benin. Why be say they can't track all the phones? Come be say now you they can't track go arrest.
Now wetin you talk man? You say now all of forget that. You never even know my name. In me I never even know.
How police can't arrest you?
Now my phone they track. Carry me for inside town. Inside town where they want to carry me. Inside town.
How he can't know you?
Now what do to me I tell you? He tell police say Valentine no people when do the thing.
Who be Valentine?
This guy so.
This one.
The day me the tea apple so. Me and this guy we see for road we shake. I never know this guy for coronavirus. I never know that.
So why be say that I can't go arrest you?
They say a lady give me money. Say a lady give us money. We take cheat the guy. Nothing like that. Even our IPO say for Abuja. They tell us say they don't call it. They say that we climb upstairs. We go share our all of us go do oath. They do us test for some print for all those things. Not our IPO even tell us nothing like that show. Even the spam they get me the rib so. Now spam show, but now they talk say no, they be getting as being to. Me not know that.
In the was there spam in the girl's body?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
So what you are saying is that you just now set up.
I don't even know that wala self. I don't know the.
I will figure some question.
Yes.
He no do anything. He no do anything almost 2 months. Why he can't dey run? Nobody can catch him inside bush.
Okay. Answer that one.
Okay, when the matter ever happen, when they say police they will the 5 people, that I did put that here. Yeah, I will wait for able to catch me na Egba Junction here. From there to Egba Junction na 150. When somebody talks now, it's that bush. Egba Junction from there now, they when they call me for that town, they talk they call me. Now me and my wife now dey. I get to my pikin now did 2 years.
Okay. What's your name? Tina.
Samuel.
Where are you from?
From Inukra community.
Eh?
Inukra village.
Which local government?
Edo State.
Of your Southwest.
Yes.
What happened?
I dey village. I dey my store.
Go on.
I dey village. I dey my store. Now they just drive come one morning. Now I say they just come. They say Mama Lucky. Now I look their face. Now I say anything. He say your ex-husband Samuel dey inside motor. He say now you be the mother of Lucky. Now I say yes. Now me born Lucky. Now my pikin. Now they say okay. When we reach Benin, say commissioner want talk to me. Now it's okay, no problem. As they carry me come Benin now they say madam, they carry me go upstairs, go give go meet Abuja people. Now they say madam, where your pikin? Now say I not see him.
That's Lucky.
Yes, I don't know where I do. Now village me dey in the Benin. Without when I come up for Benin. Now they come say, okay, you will go and look for your son. Now I say, I don't know where I dey. You are from one start. Now they carry me put for sale.
Now you today so.
Now today.
Who named Lucky?
Valentine.
Who is Valentine? You named Lucky.
What happened that morning? I was walking across the street when I saw him. So when he asked me for why I was looking.
Why was Lucky mentioned?
It was not lucky. They asked me, they told me that I saw the persons that committed the crime.
Who said so?
It was my IPO. And I told him that there was nothing like that. They said somebody told them I saw 3 boys and I even greeted the 3 boys. Then I told them that if it was that 27th morning, I saw one boy called Nelson. Lucky stays directly opposite my house. And one other boy called Olivike.
Because that's what led to Lucky's.
Yes.
Okay. So, where is Lucky now, madam?
Okay, I not see him. I don't know where Lucky do.
Which work Lucky they do?
21 years.
Which work Lucky they do?
This do. Stylist.
When last you see your son?
When I never see him, he don't reach 5 months. Safe.
When you see him?
Yes.
Okay, give him this. What's your name, madam?
I be Mary Ade.
Huh?
Mary Ade.
Mary Ade. Where are you from?
From Edo State.
Where in Edo?
Igwebe.
Which quarter for Igwebe?
That's Igwebe local government.
Yes,
Igwebe.
which quarter? Is it Egwari or where for Igwebe?
Okay, Idumogo.
Idumogo. Okay.
They don't
Then say, now you give them.
Okay, not be true.
What do you know for this matter?
Now we do I do. When my husband died, the house when I did control, now my brother gets and we did that same. As you see, I lost my husband.
Which area you they stay?
I fought by Osama Datsun Street.
That same area?
Near the church.
Okay.
So night time he say, me I go to take care of the house. We will take the
Now you be the landlady of that boy?
I say, Collins, what thing happen when they arrest you? He can't they laugh. Me can't even say, maybe now.
Which Collins now? That's that other one?
Yes.
Okay.
That be Collins, what be the first one? So.
Yeah, that's your tenant now.
So my brother, the girl be my tenant. Then mama go carry and after that one go abroad. Say make me put her for the
Okay, but let's go straight to the money.
When the something can happen, they say na police na do am. Jesus, everybody come dey shout. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Say na police with the gang na dey do am. They see they investigate. So me see they ask that time. Then later they come handcuff and come. No, first of all, police, all those DSD, the something police, they enter my compound 4 minutes after 3. Early morning, 3 minutes after 4, early morning. Break the door, they come carry the phone come. Say, oh yeah, all of now, come. Everybody come. Wetin happen? They say, this person, you know, now say, now here it is. He say, oh yeah, where is the room? They just break the room, pack the things. So you understand? Me, I never appoint me, they come pack it things. Jesus, everybody come, they shout. I even call mama. See wetin happen. Mama, which station they come carry and go say, I don't know. May go investigate. May come out for Agbo. Now true come they investigate. So not be later when they come now. Second time again. And mama me call mama say, see wetin remain only foam and close.
Wait till come back. Wait till happen when they come back.
After they carry that first one come, they come back again. These Abuja people now come back, come check in room again.
The same day or the next day? That same morning?
Yes,
okay.
The following day now.
So at what point were you now arrested?
That was, I think that was on the 28th of June. I did parlor with my
what did the constable be your offense?
Before then, Oga, they come back, they come check in room. So you come they grumble as an arrestant. So you be caretaker. You can't let police pack my things. To God to make me, you will go in for it. You will suffer it. To not say, police, he pack other tenant room. You not pack their property, not only your own. You rape and key. You they talk of your property. Not because you get picking when you rape and key. What do you they talk? So as when they quarrel, now the policeman come they say, shut up, it's okay. They find room. If you see things when they see card, phone when they thief, if they load them from one place. God when you want arrest them, you go thief for your seller, you go put the SIM down. They search everywhere. Different things when they see. You see now, they record everything down. So I say don't point to me now. When we can't do that one thing, you can't go. It was after about 2 weeks, I just say, police all enter my flag. Me with my 3 children, another husband. Then they say, I said, what happened? Again, first of all, they arrest me. Say, me put criminal for us. I say, I don't know. Now upstairs now, me, my tenant day down. Then they say, if they come out for night, me, I don't know. So let's say I put criminal. At the end of the day, they'll pay me with, my lawyer pay me 130,000. You understand? After all said and done, I called the lawyer and said, well, many people come to advise me. They look who they pull for her. So
at what point were you now arrested again?
On the 28th of June. That was on Sunday.
What the council you do this time?
Then the police now for Abuja come. They come tell me say, they get one tenant when he came my house. So say he said me give her 1 million. No, he never just tell me from my house. Carry me to constate. So when I reach state, and I said, we are tenant when be police. Me no, now say they arrest him. He say me give her 1 million. First of all, me take rape and kill. Jesus, I want faith. Now look myself say no. If I wave like this, like you say anything happen, they'll say
okay, wait.
No, Oga. After they do that one, finish. Now Oga say you don't. No, say I won't do anything like that. 1 million.
Okay, wait. May I ask you something? You say they can't use white handkerchief.
That was another statement again. After the first
one. You talk
on
yours now. Say they use white handkerchief.
Yes,
they can't give you the white handkerchief.
He not give me. First of all, he said.
Wait. Come. Now give her.
Nah, Nancy can't give her.
Who be Nancy? This one. So. Well, let me come to you.
So it was me give her 1.5 million.
They give you white handkerchief.
Nothing like that, Oga. With it there now I want to talk to you now. He said me give her 1 million, make it uwa, rape and kiss that uwa. Me tell her say uwa now better pass for the whole church. Then my children, they don't like my children. That was number 1. Then after that one, now I got here, okay, say, why you
And that church you they attend?
Yes. My mom and my friend, even the girl, all of us they play together.
Oh, you know this girl when it dies?
Very well. Oga, very well.
Now that area you dey stay.
Yes. You know as we dey do one key, dey my house. This is my tenant now, Sarah. You get one key. In case people they come from here, they want pray, you take them. Then this side, it can't be Mr. Osula when he be secretary. If now this side you pass, you will take them. That very day, now he pass here, he collect for Osula. Go there read. We don't even know what they happen. You understand?
But they always see the girl before.
If they read there more than 5 years now before you get admission. You understand? So
at what point you come to hear say the girl don't die?
It was I think about after 7 or to 7. I did church. I did my store. Then Mr. Osula come call me. Say where I did not say I did my store. He said make me come. We be like say the rape over. Jesus. He go read. He say go read though. Now wash night when you go even start work. Now he come see and there. You understand? So now me come run go there. I said I did there. See people for photo. Just what happen? They say make me I just cover the body because as it takes katana for ground, me I go cover am before me go enter. When I enter my brother, I look why I shout.
What you can see?
I can see say he don't the head he just dey pump blood. All his body blood. Then the pint yellow pint he can't decide like this.
That's well, she was naked.
Naked because they can't push it. Be like saying a jeans, he not let her tear. He can't push and go up like this. All he white when he wear turn to blood.
Of the girl so.
Of the girl so. He turn to blood. So the head only to breathe go up. Now he can't do. So as I say, my
fire extinguisher when the man
yes,
so by the side.
He did decide. He can't even maybe the girl they grumble to go see where light there now other place he go see him because these two stupid boy he tie him eye he tie him mouth.
That was so.
Oh was so this decoration wey we get for store come tear that take am tie him eye come take am tie him mouth.
Na so na take me to work.
Na so take me time he eye make gbugbu like this come swell up him head from here he just tear come reach here so where he drag am pass maybe the day they grumble may go outside may where that person go see he come drag am come the whole blood and the
we see her now because we go there.
Everything can show like that. Now we can't do finance at the hospital. This one not be to waste time. Now Miss also that say, hey, they say we now visit and I make. Oh yeah, we can't carry motor go a normal. We reach a normal, stay with them. From normal the following day, she say don't they play? We like say what they don't they what? Now we don't come rush and go UBTH.
Now there for that.
Now there for that for 4 days.
So where you come there that time when they say Wala don't die?
I dey go there. Even early morning, now me with the day hospital. From hospital early morning, I don't go there again. Me with one of my friends, we don't there.
So how you see this case now?
My brother, the second one when he talk, me I explain that one. The first say 1 million, say my pikin, nobody like her for church. The second one, he say na hacking. Me can say, me I do hacking, go the blood. Me I take go do a charm, so that my store will come be like supermarket. My brother, now police now from investigation from Abuja, they go to my account. They use my VC something when they use. They come my house, they turn upside down, they go to my shop, open now, do the whole investigation. Nothing, neither they write. Then at the end of the day, okay, when we come reach Abuja, so they make an land 2 months and 3 days. When we dey Abuja, then they do the investigation. So because we say, person give me, we dey look for that person. At the end of the day, he send a nursing. God so kind, they just see nursing carry come. My brother,
this nursing.
This nursing, I don't know nursing don't know me. When they carry nursing come, do you know this woman? Say la God is my witness, I don't know nursing. Even this lucky when they talk, I don't know lucky. The boy where I don't know, now be this Valentine. Valentine now, my brother, Valentine never enter my compound one day.
Okay, that's fine. You hear the whole explanation when they give. You hear everything when they talk. Okay, so react to them.
He said there's they say they don't know what happened.
Yes.
So now question me want ask them.
Okay, you want to ask them?
Yes.
Ask the question.
Now my landlady will first.
But for your own mind, they know.
They know now.
They know. Okay.
Why not call other people? No let them do the street.
Okay.
Because Mary, that is my landlady.
Yeah.
Ask her whether me get problem.
We get.
Which problem here you get?
I guess you be criminal. They jump my fence, they rob. Even the tenant, they know.
Me.
So
me.
police.
Okay, you report that to police.
I can't call the mother. Tell the mother.
Wait.
Say,
as you know, saying about person, you report that to police.
The mama come back me say I beg. He go come back with this.
Okay.
That was why I not.
Sorry, that's one. Then two.
Last time since when me come a compound, whether police don't beat me come, or another people don't beat me come, say me thief or I rape. help me ask am.
Okay, you don't. They don't arrest him before.
Oh, they arrest am.
Which station?
You see the mark where they body so. Na thief o. You see the mark where they body. When we dey motor, we dey go Abuja. He come dey beg me, landlady abeg o. In case they ask you say whether I be armed robber or I thief, I don't tell am say no. Make una talk well o. Now say me no fit please you come this place.
It's okay. Okay, madam. That's fine. See, wait. I want to ask you something.
Yes, I am hearing you, sir.
Finally, finally for this matter, so how you want make this matter of Uwailate end?
Sir, me no go fit talk. Now God, everything dey in hand. You understand? Because this matter now will be 5 boys wey do the thing, plus the woman. That is 6 of us.
5 boys?
Yeah, that woman wey fat, me no know the woman to God and mine.
Okay.
Na pikin.
You don't know this one before?
Yes,
that woman?
Yes, wey fat.
Okay, among them here, who you know?
So Valentine.
Where Valentine?
Na be this police pikin.
This one?
Yes, Nancy.
This one?
Yes, and Mary.
Okay,
so
and that woman?
Yes.
Then what about this one?
This guy, now phone will bring cover wey him buy.
Okay, he don't know.
No, he know go to God the get spirit. If this guy knows how to defend and make the get spirit kill him, the guy no know wetin dey. So me say and he ask whether the phone now steal him phone. I tell am say no, say the phone they no steal am. Say na one of my friend. Pastor they go still be my weakness. Okay. All this way they talk about the thief. Say so I come. Me na tell which station that arrest me.
The Edo State Commissioner of Police Johnson Babatunde Kukumo, who paraded the suspect, said the police was diligent during the investigation.
Of unrelenting effort of the police to get at the roots of the crime. And today, I announce to you, I'm making it public through this medium that the perpetrators have been arrested. The investigation has been painstaking. We have with us a total of 6 suspects, starting with Collins. Collins here was one of the suspects earlier arrested in connection with the offense, who had initially denied his involvement. Painstaking investigations led to the arrest of Nosa. Nosa was found in possession of the phone of the deceased. And Nosa came up with an explanation that he bought the phone from Collins. Further investigation led to the arrest of other suspects we are seeing here. We also have among the suspects Mary Ade. Mary Ade led to the arrest of Mary Ade. She equally played her part in the dastardly act. She had hired some of these guys for a sum, and she had actually paid them for the assignment, for the gruesome murder. We also have with us Tina Samuel. Tina Samuel is the mother to Lucky Boro, who is currently on the run. It may surprise you why, of course, we have not arrested the mother, we have not arrested by proxy. No. She had played the role of an accessory after the fact. That is, shielding the son who took active part in the dastardly act, shielding the son from the arms of the law, which is equally criminal. So that is why she's being held. She's being held for being an accessory after the fact, because she's the mother to Lucky Boro, who took active part. And she had done all within her capacity to protect, to receive the child, to protect that son, shoot that son from being arrested. I want to thank the National Association of Nigerian Students, the national president. I also want to seize this opportunity to also thank the National Association of Nigerian Students, the University of Benin chapter, for their patience.
It will be recalled that Vera Uwaila Omozuwa was in May 2020 raped and murdered in a church at Owe Quarters on Benin Agbo Road in Benin City. The death led to a wide condemnation, including the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, who directed the police to fish out the killers of the young undergraduates.
To like to say thanks today for us on the program. Don't forget that this program is still open for sponsorship. You can place any kind of advert on this program at a very moderate price. And you can also sponsor us here. We'll be happy to have you on this program. Let's have it same time, same station next week. Special thanks to all those who have supported us greatly. My name is Festus Alenke.